Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to Xbox, right? So here this is Microsoft, and if you just click on Xbox Home, so basically you need to have a Microsoft account. As you can see here, I have made a step-by-step guide here. So first of all, if you want to do it over your Xbox console, just turn on and make sure your Xbox console is connected to the internet, right? So here you have to sign in into your account. You can only sign in into your Xbox account by using Microsoft account that you use for Xbox. Now here you have to go to the settings, right? Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, navigate to the profile setting, systems, and then just go to the settings. Here in the settings menu, select account, then choose payment and billing. Add a payment option. Select add a payment option, choose credit card as the payment method. Enter your Visa gift card details. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, CVV, the 3-digit security code basically, and billing zip code. Now you will be able to successfully add your Visa gift card to Xbox, right? It's very easy to do it, and there are several uses of Visa gift card which you can do it. You can just go to the Microsoft Store, select your purchase, and everything you just want to buy games, you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.